Ekirungo ekivunaanyizibwa ku kuteekerateekera n'okugoola ebigezo mu ggwanga ekya Uganda National Examinations Board kifulumiza ebyava mu bigezo by'abayizi abaatula siniya ey'omukaaga omwaka 2020. Abayizi 9,989 be beewandiisa, wabula abayizi 9,957 be baasobola okutuula ebigezo. Omuwendo gw'abayizi abeewandiisa gukendedde bw'ogeraganya n'omwaka ogwa 2020. Abaana ab'obuwala abaatudde ebigezo bali ebitundu 41.8 ku buli 100 be bayizi 4,713.
High percentage of 99.2% qualified for the award of the Uganda Advanced Certificate of Education, just as was the case in 2020, although we had a slight increase in candidatures. A person qualifies for a USCE certificate when that person scores at least a subsidiary pass in a subject taken at the advanced level. At the minimum 2 principal level pass, Honorable Minister, this is so far what is considered for university admissions.
Abayizi abawala bakola bulungi okusinga bannaabwe abalenzi.
Percentages of females at these different levels are higher. The proportion of females that got 3 principal passes stands at 48.6 compared to 40.1 for the males. Cumulatively, at 2 principal passes and above, you have 75.1% of the females compared to 67.0. So although the female candidature is a little lower, when you take the proportions of those who sat who are getting these grades.
Essomo ly'ebyafaayo eby'enfuna gaakolebwa bulungi bw'ogeraageranya n'amalala.
Again dropped below that of 2020 where it had risen. Examiners have attributed these to candidates showing a lot of problems in questions on genetics, ecology, and applications of biological concepts to the environment, classification, and the inability to handle very simple mathematical computations in biology. These, Honorable Minister, are the areas that are causing problems, and yet they are extremely important.
Wabula Ssenkulu w'ekitongole kya UNEP Dan Okrachodong yennyamidde olw'omutindo gw'ekibogwe ogulagiddwa mu bigezo bino omuli n'omuyizi ataafunye kabonero konna wabula n'awandiika emboozi ku lupapula.
Wasting time on me when there are more serious candidates? Question mark. Now, after that, this candidate wrote, "Now listen to my story." And then he wrote a short poem starting, Honorable Minister, with, "I am the stone that the builder refused," and continued like that. And then later on decided to write a list of famous musicians, Celine Dion, Mariah Carey, and so on and so, with the names of songs that they have sung.
Ebigezo by'abayizi 113 bye bikyakwatiddwa nga naye abagumiza nga bwe bagenda okuweebwa omukisa okwewozaako.
Malpractice has remained quite low. The reported ones have mainly been some external assistance in maths, biology, and computer studies. And in accordance with Section 4, Subsection 3 of the UNEP Act 2021, the board will withhold results of 113 candidates, and these will be accorded a hearing before a final verdict is passed.
Ssentebe wa UNEP Professor Mary Okwakol ategeezezza ng'omuwendo gw'abayizi abwewandiisa bwe gukendedde wabula nga Ssettendekero w'Amakerere ali mu kunoonyereza ku kino kiri bwe kiti. Naye asabye wateekebwewo embeera eyagazisa omwana ow'obuwala amasomo ga ssaayansi.
The observed gender gaps result in low numbers of women pursuing science, technology, engineering, and mathematics careers. There is therefore urgent need for a national strategy to empower girls to pursue science subjects at the Uganda Advanced Certificate of Education level.
Bino bye bigezo eby'omulundi ogwokusatu era ebifundikidde ebyava mu bigezo eby'abayizi mu mwaka ogwa 2022. Yisa Kigongo ku lwa Channel 44 Oliguru.